Hello kids, how are you? My dear kids, I hope you all are enjoying your lives and having fun. You all are painting your lives with full of your favorite colors. I hope you all are painting them very well. Today I'm here with a fun activity for you people, as I have already said that you are painting your lives with your favorite colors. Similarly, today we are going to paint and we will enjoy today our painting activity. For that purpose, I have some shapes for you and a beautiful fish for my dear kids. So let us we paint today. I'm going to use these poster paints and some brushes. Let me show you my two brushes. I'm using these two brushes, but I have some more brushes too. So you can use your favorite brush, whichever you wanted to. So I'm going to choose these four colors for my fish: yellow, orange, blue, and purple. I'm putting these colors on the side, and today we are going to use these four colors to paint our fish. For our square, circle and triangle, we will use some other colors. So first of all, we are going to paint our fish. So let us start. I have already taken my colors in my color palette, in this beautiful color palette. So I'm going to use these colors with the help of these brushes. So let us paint together. I hope you will enjoy today's activity because it's a fun activity for you people. I'm taking less of water and I will mix it with my color. As you already know that I have given it a outline with orange marker, so it shows that I'm going to paint it orange. Whenever you use the colors, take some of the color and add a little water in it so that it become a runny liquid and it will not affect you, or you will find ease in doing your colors. Okay, so I have taken a little of water and I'm mixing it with my orange color, and then I'm going to apply my orange color in my fish. So I will start with a smaller portion to check. Okay, so kids, we are painting our fish with orange color. I'm taking a less of water and mixing it with my color and taking a small amount of paint, and let us apply here. In this way you can paint your fish or whatever you are having as a sketch, your favorite pet animal or your favorite cartoon, anything. It's a fun activity, it's a mind relaxing activity actually. So we can enjoy in our free time, or whenever we are bored, or whenever we are feeling less down, where we feel that there is the less of color, we can add some more. You can make such type of paintings beautifully and also paste them on the wall of your room, or you can adjust them. Look how nice it looks. Now give me some suggestion, which color should I do in its wings? I think yellow will be a better option. What do you think? So we will go with yellow color for its wings. I'm washing my brush with water, and then I will take a less of water and then I will mix it with yellow color in this way, and we are going to take yellow color. Yes. Okay, let us apply here in its wings. Okay, in this way. You can use your favorite colors, whatever you like. Okay, please tell me in the comment section what are your favorite colors, and if you start painting, what will be the first thing you wanna paint and which colors you wanted to use? Do comment and please share with me. Or if you found any type of suggestions for me, if you want to share something regarding painting or your favorite cartoon or anything you wanted me to paint, please tell me in the comment section. I will paint that for you, and I will have some other video. I will make it for you people. Kids, now you have to tell me, my choice of color is better or not? Actually, I like lighter shades of the colors, sometimes the darker, but most of the time I use the lighter colors, lighter shades. So that's why I have chosen a yellow and orange. I think it looks great. What do you think? Let us we wash our paintbrush, and now it's turn to paint. Oh, sorry, I haven't painted another feather that is inside our body, not inside our picture. So let us we paint it lightly. Take some more. Okay, it's done. Now it's time to paint its lips. We have its lips also. So you can use the smaller brush also, but if you have the experience of painting, you can use the bigger one also. It's up to your painting skills. Okay, now it looks good. Yes, we will not paint in its face, so I'm going to paint the water. So for water, we are going to use the blue color, the lighter blue color, okay, the lighter shade. So we are going to paint we are going to just give the waves here, okay? No need to paint all. Just for a statement, we will give the waves here. Some of waves will be the darker, some will be the lighter. In this way, it will show that it is a watery section. This way, okay? And if you found that it's lesser amount, you can have more from its bottle. Okay, let us we paint these bubbles. I think I'm out of blue color, so I will use it directly from its bottle, and for that purpose let us we use a smaller brush. Where is our smaller brush? So I have taken more color from the bottle directly, and I have colored these bubbles again to give them a bright darker shade of blue. So this is our final look of our fish with the water, with the blue and orange yellows of colors. I think it looks nice and beautiful. What do you think? Please share your suggestions and your views in the comment section below. I'm waiting for your views and your suggestions also, okay?